this job here that I'm at has all these modular type fittings in here. There's a mix of LEDs. This one's an LED, as you can see. That one there was a fluorescent. The emergency fittings, I've just got two to replace. One I've got to replace is actually through there, up there, and I'm going to be replacing it with one of these JCC sky tile bases. Are quite a good fitting. I've replaced plenty of those, and they seem to be pretty good. Right, that's the old fluorescent modular fitting taken out. Now I'm going to replace it with an LED one. I've got to wire in this emergency remote pack. I'll unpackage that and then I'll show you how to connect that up. Okay, so as with any emergency light fitting, there's always a live and a switch live, like permanent live and a switch live. However, on these fittings here, up there, they just literally have a permanent live, neutral and earth. There's no wall switches at all that turn them on and off. They're always on all the time. So what I've done here is just linked out from the permanent live out to switch live in. Just link that out, and that will make sure these lights are on all the time. Everything else on here is pretty much labelled. So we've got main connection to LED driver, so that'll connect to that. I'll take that cable out and that'll go into there. That's your low voltage connection to the LED panel, so that plugs into this panel here. The batteries connect to that one, and that one's low voltage connection from LED driver, which is that plug there. That would normally, if it wasn't an emergency fitting, you would just connect that straight into your LED panel. That'd just be a normal light fitting then. But because the emergency pack's being used, we've got to alter that very slightly. These connected up now, so there's the emergency pack control itself. The LED, which will light green to show it's charging, that goes to the panel. Got the battery plugged in and the LED driver connected up. Just need to pop it all up into that ceiling void up there, and then put the light fitting in itself. There's the neutral earth and live connected into there. All that lot just needs to go back away. Powered up and charge light on, all good, and powered down, charge light off and lit up, running off the batteries. Job done. That's those two LED panels changed, job done and dusted there in this block. It was nice and sunny when I went in, and when I came out it was snowing. Now the sun's back out again, so I think that's me done for the day. Drive back now, had enough. So as always, give the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.